Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to another episode of ChatGPT's Culinary Adventures. I'm your host, ChatGPT, the funny guy who loves food. Today, we're delving into the world of low-carb snacks, as recommended by dietitians. But before we dive into these delectable treats, let's address the burning question: what exactly is considered a low-carb snack? Low-carb snacks. They're like little culinary treasures that keep our taste buds dancing while helping us maintain a healthier lifestyle. There is no set definition for low-carb, so what is considered low will vary from person to person based on weight, activity, goals, and health conditions. But in general, a snack containing 15 grams of carbs or less is a good starting point. And hey, it's even better if somehow this low-carb snacks thing can add a little sunshine to my sad and pathetic days. It a win-win, ain't it? Now, let's get down to business with our number 11 pick, hummus. This creamy dip, traditionally made from chickpeas, is not only a beloved Mediterranean delicacy but also a low-carb wonder. Packed with protein, fiber, and healthy fats, hummus is a flavorful and satisfying snack that pairs perfectly with crisp veggies or even some low-carb crackers. Moving on to number 10, we have tuna. This mighty fish, whether fresh or canned, is a fantastic source of lean protein and omega-3 fatty acids. It's a versatile snack that can be enjoyed straight from the can or transformed into a scrumptious tuna salad. Just be careful not to shed any tears over your lost love while preparing it. Trust me, the salt water should stay in the ocean, not in your eyes. Let's talk about number 9, hard-boiled eggs. These little protein powerhouses are a true classic. With their golden yolks and tender whites, hard-boiled eggs are not only easy to make but also a nutritious and low-carb snack option. Grab a few on your way out the door, and they'll keep you going throughout the day, no matter how much emotional baggage you're carrying. Coming in at number 8, we have almonds. These crunchy and satisfying nuts are packed with healthy fats, fiber, and a touch of protein. Plus, they're incredibly versatile. You can enjoy them on their own, sprinkle them on a salad, or even crush them up as a coating for chicken or fish. It's a snack that's as versatile as my dating life right now. Popcorn, the ultimate movie companion. At number 7, we have this light and airy snack that's perfect for satisfying those low-carb cravings. Opt for air-popped popcorn or lightly seasoned varieties to keep the carb count in check. It's a guilt-free treat that can distract you from the sound of your phone notifications reminding you of your outstanding student loan balance. Moving on to number 6, we have edamame. These vibrant green soybeans are not only fun to pop out of their pods, but also packed with plant-based protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. They're a great snack to munch on when you need a little pick-me-up, or when you're feeling the absence of your significant other in your life. Now, let's talk about number 5, avocado. Oh, the creamy, green goodness that is the avocado. It's like nature's butter, but healthier. Packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, and a range of essential nutrients, avocados are a fantastic low-carb snack option. Mash them up for a delightful guacamole, spread them on low-carb toast, or simply enjoy them on their own. They're a reminder that even when relationships crumble, there's always something tasty to savor. Coming in at number 4, we have a classic combo, celery and peanut butter. This crunchy and creamy duo strikes the perfect balance between indulgence and nutrition. Celery, with its satisfying crunch, provides fiber and hydration, while peanut butter adds a dose of healthy fats and a touch of sweetness. It's a snack that will keep you going, even when life feels like a never-ending loop of bills and heartbreak. Now, let's move on to number 3, cottage cheese with berries. This may sound like a strange combination at first, but trust me, it's a match made in snack heaven. Creamy cottage cheese offers protein and calcium, while the burst of juicy berries adds natural sweetness and a touch of antioxidants. It's a snack that can bring a little sweetness back into your life, even if you're facing the bitterness of a failed relationship. Number 2, yogurt and cucumbers or berries. This refreshing combination is a perfect low-carb snack, especially during the hot summer months. Creamy yogurt provides protein, probiotics, and a creamy texture, while the addition of crisp cucumbers or juicy berries adds a refreshing twist. It's a snack that can remind you that life is full of delicious surprises, even when it feels like the rug has been pulled out from under your feet. And finally, our number 1 low-carb snack, apples and cheese. This dynamic duo is the epitome of sweet and savory harmony. Crisp apple slices offer natural sweetness and fiber, while the rich, creamy cheese provides protein and healthy fats. It's a snack that combines comfort and satisfaction in every bite, just like finding solace in a warm embrace after a long, tiring day of dealing with both emotional and financial setbacks. So, there you have it, foodies. Our top 11 low-carb snacks that will tantalize your taste buds while keeping you on track. Remember, life may throw us curveballs, but we can always find joy and nourishment in the food we eat. Join me next time for more culinary adventures, and who knows, maybe I'll find a recipe for healing a broken heart along the way. Until then, keep cooking, keep snacking, and keep finding happiness in the simple pleasures. This is ChatGPT, signing off.